Happy Friday, guys. My name is Babak, and in this session, I'm going to show you how to use one of my coolest tools that I recently added to the Witcher. And if you don't know about the Witcher is my new automated machine learning library. And good news, it's free. So you can just pip install Witcher and then go. You will have all the function. So let's start. We're going to install the Witcher. It's a bit heavy because it has a lots of things like the OpenCV, ARIMA, and scikit-learn and TensorFlow because it has tons of the application on backend and works because it is automated machine learning and is going to be the virtual assistant for you. But right now, I'm going to show you one of the coolest applications. So let's start. Pip install Witcher, import the Witcher. Inside the Witcher, we have a help function. Every function has a help. You can see what inside the Witcher. So latest version that today we are working right now is for deliver 4 different model inside FileChooser. I'm going to show you today how it's working. Image to cartoon is one of the coolest projects that you ever seen. Is you can play with the image and then do some effect and also extract the border for your analysis. It's very awesome. It's nice. It works based off the OpenCV recommender system. It's very powerful tools. You just submit the data sets, including the product that you have, and then bam, magic happened. The Witcher will generate the recommender system for you and will generate everything for you. So as a give you the one open API, then you can select the product or select the user or even the new user, and that product will be assigned to the user based off the similarity of the user and some other function that I will show you later. Stock market is a tool that can show you how you can analyze the stock that you want. Actually, it's worked with the one of the best open API for stock market, Yahoo Finance, and they extract the data that you want. You just select the stock market that you want, for example, Air Canada or maybe Apple or Google, whatever you want, you select the stock and then analysis. Then also will provide that the real-time data analysis for you for some forecasting. So let's get started. How the Witcher is working. The feature functions mentioned here that the function that can read the CSV, Excel, SAS, image, and also text file. And for running this one, we have a file chooser model, and through the file chooser, we have to call the file chooser function. So let's start here. So from the witcher.FileChooser, we import the file chooser model, and from the file chooser, we call the file chooser function. The magic button will comes here, and the power of this magic button is can select entire file that you have. So we'll basically you select the file. For example, I want to see this text file. The text, I don't know what's the delimiter inside there. So we open it, the text will read it. The path is here. You can also use the path if you want to send to the different library or any other class that you have. You can use this path. And also, if you want to use the data, here it is. Magic happened. We just select the text file and here it is. We have a data frame. Let's see how it's working with the Excel file. This is one Excel file that we have the output. Let's see what is inside the output. The path is here, the name of the file, and here. Wow, which are actually working. See here, just read the Excel file, read the text. Let's try one CSV file. The CSV file, for example, let's see this one. Sample raw source. One sample raw source, let me see, is actually read it. And this is the data frame that we have. See here, magic happened. So no need to run the pandas and find what the output for the file and what the encoding file that you have to run on the pandas to be able to read the Excel or CSV or text file. It can be read everything for you. And moreover, it can read the SAS file as well as the image. So let's see the image, what's working with the image. So yeah, it's me. So the file chooser read that image and also will generate the path for us and vector. I hope that you like using this function, and if you like it, just don't forget to show the thumbs up here. And yeah, let's catch up later. Have a great day and enjoy the weekend. Take care.